See hi? Ayan na. Look at the video here. Baby. Knock. Oh, it's not Vera. Oh, no, don't pull that. Look at. Where are you going, baby Ayana? Ay, it's not Vera ang bata. Ito yung pra natin. Tingin ka manak. Ayan. Ano ba to? Say hi! Si Ayana. Hi! Look. Up. Wait lang. Ang gwapo naman ni Kuya. Ayan na. Kita pa yung ating ano. What happened? Wala. Chillax? Chillax lang, baby Yana. We're going to Abby. Going to Abby. Abby on that side. Na 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 na.
Bakit 8.99 pag weekends?
Ha?
8.99 pag weekends, tas weekdays 700 lang.
We're here. We're at Abby, anak. What's that? A decoration, anak. It's a pineapple. Pineapple. Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. Happy sweet 16. Bakit mayroon ng uban?
Ha?
May uban ka na. Tingnan mo yung hair mo.
Ano yan?
White hair.
Uy!
Mayroon.
Sa pintura talaga yan.
Uban na punta sa pintura. Wait lang, magpa-park pala.
That's from the pintura.
Ay, sorry. Picture sana tayo muna. Uy, ang daming tao. Anak, where are you? Where's my baby Yana? There. Kakain kami dito for Ate Nicole birthday celebration. Diyan kami kakain again. Ba't nandiyan kayo? Ba't nandito kayo? Uy! Ba't nandito kayo? Dumami tayo ah! Wait! It's gonna rain! Bakit nandito kayo? Wow, si Heart Evangelista nandito na naman. Oh, try to give that to Ayana. Ayana, hold it, Ayana. Nandito ng mga to. Okay. Oh, come here. So many people. So many customers. Oh, masaya ka na, nak? Meron ikaw kalaro? Ang daming tao ngayon kahit weekdays. Nasaan dito sila? Asan si asawa mo, te? Ang trabaho? Ang pretty naman yan, Ate Malia. Wow, that's so cute.
Ready for reservation number 6 at Albaya.
5:30. Wala pa, maaga pa. Ay, 5:30 pa pala yung umpisa
Ma'am
na.
Ethel, dito na lang po.
Ang kanilang buffet, wala pang tao.
Next followed by
Babe,
number 7.
they're here.
Castillo.
Bastos ka. Hindi pa,
Reservation number 9, Erline.
hindi pa nag-umpisa yung ano, tawag nito, yung pagpapasok ng mga tao. We're too early. Pero nag-umpisa sila ng 4:30. Ay no, 5:30 pala. Pwede nang pumasok kaya medyo busy ang ano, ang lobby. What is this, anak? This is for Ate Maria. Wow, Ate Nicole got some presents. 5:30. Fall in line. Everyone can have it. It's your gate pass. Put it properly, babe. That's not how you do it. How about my baby Yana? Baby Yana doesn't need anything. Right? It's my baby free. Pwede na kayo maglaro.
May laruan dyan?
Wala.
Sa Ayala din.
Ito, Ellen. We're going to zoo.
We saw the messages, what Matt sent.
Yeah. I know.
We saw the messages.
Kasi tala. Kurti mo talaga nagigigil ako.
You didn't read the messages, what Matt said.
We will be putting green stacks for all paying guests for monitoring of head counts and acknowledgement that you are already being seated. And as part of our policy, we would like to remind you of our no leftovers and no takeout policy. Please note that any leftover food or takeout will be subject to a charge of 100 pesos per 100 grams. Okay, so making sure po nakasuot yung mga wristband or wristband natin dahil yun po yung access natin para makapasok. And hintayin lamang po yung mag-a-assist or mag-ahatid sa inyo sa table. Thank you.
May nagsikaso lang yung isa doon. Kuya Chris, si Kuya unang-una. Excited na si Kuya Chris.
Okay, to start, Manny Pineda. Sir Manny.
Okay. Ikaw na, Tom. Tinawag niya yung pangalan mo. It's your turn. Ha? Oh, take a picture first. Babe, have a seat here. I will take a picture of you.
Okay, after Tom, Shane, next is Lourdes.
Have a seat.
Lourdes.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Next, Loisel.
What number are we? 8? Okay. We're close then.
Forget the passport because, oh yeah, you keep removing things in my phone.
Okay, after Jeshel, Loisel, next is Ethel.
Ethel.
Itil.
Si Ethel.
Itil. Tiil.
You put the wrong dress. No?
Oh, she has bib. I think.
But you know the way she eats.
Yeah.
Yana.
Where
Where's
did she
the
get it
baby? From uncle.
No, she got it from you, pa. The ano, she's a big eater. Yeah, big eater. Like you.
I am a big eater. I will admit it. Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. Ang gwapo-
Okay, next,
ang gwapo
Bien.
ko. Ang gwapo ko talaga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Birthday nga. Happy
After Bien, dito lang po sa thank you, ma'am. Aaron.
It's our turn. Come, let's go. Okay. Hold her hand. It's our turn. Sige, kaya mo yan, Ate Nicole. You can do it.
Okay, after Aaron,
Thank you.
Which table are we, babe? Here, inside. Look, si Kuya Chris. That's our table? ko eh. Ang cute na timalya. Ha? Kitchen?
Ay, hindi.
Okay, baby chair. Anak, anak. Okay, thank you po. What happened, Ate Malia? What's wrong? Huh? What happened? It's okay. I know. Where's Ayana? Come on, go get some sweets there. There's so much food. Have you been here before? Come on. Huh? So we're 7:05. Come on now, let's grab some food. Kain na. Yung anak ko. Come on. You want bread? Mama will give you bread.
What do you want?
Which one?
No. What do you want? What do you want? Come on.
Which one you like now? You want this? Pasta?
Give carbonara. Give carbonara.
Carbonara?
It's too spicy.
Which one? This one?
Carbonara. Here. This is carbonara.
Okay. For Kuya Tom. Yung isa pinagod na. Naghabulan silang dalawa. Babe, you have to follow her. Naghabulan yung dalawa. Paano ito makakakain? Buti pa sa Timalya kumakain na. How was it, Ate Malia? Is it good? Asa na ba sila yung iba?
Daming pagkain.
Dami pagkain. Where's yung mama, kuya? Oh, come here. Up. Yummers. Ba't ang layo nyo naman? Ayan yung dumikit sa amin. Yung hindi kasi sumali si Eric. Si Eric may regalo kay Nicole. Hindi alam ni Nicole. Si Eric may regalo, cellphone. Ayaw niya daw magsali-sali sa mga ganitong party. Sabi ko, wala namang party, kakain lang tayo. Nagbigay lang siya ng cellphone tuloy. Hindi daw siya sanay. Who is that? Ayan na, nagpakaano siya. Ha? Wala namang balat yan. May balat pa ba? Hindi, okay lang. Is it yummy? Eat lang. Wow, you got lechon.
No, this roast beef. This roast beef, chicken, pork, everything. Roast.
Okay, I'll get my food. Where's Nicole? So, ito yung aking kinuhang pagkain. And, huh? That one. Tapos ito yung kausawan ko. Wala ba yung pang suka. May sabaw doon, hindi ka nag-order. Hindi ka kumuha. Asan si Chris? Kain na tayo. Where's my spoon here? Can you get that? What's that, Nak? Kain tayo. Bata. Tulala ba yung ating birthday celebrant? Ang daming food. Daming food. Aba, humahabol din to sa, ano, sa tuna. Gusto mong kinilaw? Ayan na, Amalia. Pasawsaw nga. Can I sausaw here? Sigod.
Sabi nila, di naman namin masyado.
It's really good.
Don't give it cheese, just cook everything out.
Okay na. That's enough cheese.
Ano, nabusog ulit ako. Ano mo ako?
Careful. Wow, it's too spicy, anak. Mm. Okay, that's enough, anak. That's enough. That's enough. Pangalan? Ready na kami.
Okay, ready po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh. Kuya, padanin mo. Sit down. A happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. And a happy birthday. To a merry Kala, kala. Ano? Yay! Oh, blow the cake now. Blow the cake. Yay! Thank you. Wow! Sana all! Sana all! Wow! Wow! Sana all! Gusto ko yarn. O, dahil na, magpaano na kayo? One, two, sila kuya oh. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Bakit si kuya ayaw sumali? 1, 2, 3, smile. Uy, takya! Kuya, sali daw kayo. 1, 2, 3, smile. Malia, look at me. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, done na. What happened now? What's up? Oh, she's happy now. Look, ate. Ate is happy now. Yay! What happened? Excited na ako bukas. The wheels on the bus. Why are you opening the gift? It's your birthday? It's your birthday? Give it to her. Be careful. Galing kay Tita She mo yan. Kay Tita She mo yan. Baka mahulog kung ano. Ha? I-on mo nga. Picture 1, 2, 3. Look at me here. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye, guys.
Mauna na sila.
Ayan, bye-bye.
Bye, kuya. Bye-bye. Na sila. Yung anak ko. Kailangan ko siya.
Bye-bye. Asan si Kuya?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ayaw niya talaga magpalagay sa stroller. Ayaw talaga magpapalitip mo. Ayaw kumakain ng maayos. Babe, it's raining hard.
Lalabas ka po?
Yes.
Magal ko lang yung wristband. Thank you very much.
Umuulan, umuulan. Bawi na kami. Inaantay lang namin yung grab. Umuulan sa labas. Ay. Buti humina ng konti. Tapos itong bata na to, tulog pa din. Ay, kanina hindi siya natulog. Ng oras ng pagkain yan pa talaga siya natulog ng kulit na. Batang ito. Kulit man ito, baby Hana. Say good night. Say good night, Tata siya. So, ganito na lang yung video namin. Thank you for watching.